Okay, good morning, everyone. Somebody called me and told me that my videos in German, they were not that good because I was speaking too fast and it was very difficult to understand me. So they asked me if I could redo these videos in English, and that is what I'm doing right now, which of course is going to be a good practice for you for the oral examination. Having said that, I'm going to redo all the videos. Right now, I'm trying to speak slowly and to speak clearly. And you please let me know if there is something that you do not understand. If there is something that you do not understand, drop a comment in the commentary section below, and I will try to do my best to clear up all the questions and doubts. Having said that, I'm going to introduce you the book, and I'm going to introduce you this series of videos again. And first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Angela Cuevas. I'm Spanish, and I was working as an English teacher, English, Spanish, and French for over 25 years. I am not working as a teacher anymore. I stopped working as a teacher last year, but some of my students who are taking the Fachhochschulreife this year from my previous Berufsschule, they asked me if I could help them with some tips and tricks about how to succeed in the listening part of the Fachhochschulreife, and that's what we are going to do. What we are going to do right here. So once again, this is the book. I wrote this last year, and my idea when I wrote this book was to support students who are preparing for the Fachhochschulreife. This is because from last year on, from 2023 on, we had a new format in the listening comprehension. And that is the first thing, that's what we are going to talk about here. Now, in this book, in my book, by the way, you can find all the links in the description of the video. What you are going to find here, there are exercises according to the new format. Now, it's very important to understand that my book does not contain any audio files or any transcriptions, any transcripts, and that is because of copyright reasons. I strongly recommend that for you to have all the video files and all the transcriptions, that you actually get or buy or whatever the Stark Verlag book. The link is also down. But as said, here, what you are going to find in my book, in this one, you also have the link to the Amazon shop in the description. It's exercises according to the new format from 2015 to 2022. That is also because the Stark Verlag book is a very good one. It has a lot of tips and tricks, and it's going to help you to prepare all the parts of the exam. So the reading part, the mediation part, the writing part, and of course, the listening part. But last time I checked, they only have the, so for the exams 2015 to 2022, they had the listening exercises following the old format. And I don't know if they have changed anything this year. Last year, they just had a couple of examples, but that's the reason why I wrote this book here. Now, once again, this book is complementary to the one from Stark Verlag, for example, or any other one. Now, you're going to ask me what happens with the exercises and the audio from last year, for 2023. You do not need to look any further, because also in the description of the video you will find a link to the Bildungsserver Baden-Württemberg, where you are going to find the audio files from 2023 together with the exercises and together with the solutions, with the key to those exercises. Means you're going to need nothing else but one of these star books. You don't have to buy the newest one, although of course I would recommend to do that. And by the way, my book here, you don't need to buy the print edition either. You can find the digital edition in Amazon here. You can take a screenshot or with the snipping tool or whatever you want, because this is only for you to train. Again, no audio data in my in my book, and no transcriptions in my book. I got an Amazon recension, says, there's no audio files. So yes, if you had to read the description, you would know that. Having said that, in this series, I'm going to share some of my best tips and tricks that are not included, of course, in the book, to help you to improve your listening comprehension and optimally prepare you for the exam. And if you see that I'm looking at the side, is that because, of course, I do have my script in there. So if you know anyone who is preparing for the Fachhochschulreife, if you know anyone who could profit from this video series, please tag them or share the video or anything. And if you have any specific questions, again, drop a comment here in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy my series, and good luck with your preparation. Have a lovely day.